All right, beginning our biggest story tonight on the Restless story with a breaking news development connected with the same, and that's SKM gives memorandum to President on the Restless issue. And President Murmu has been petitioned by the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha. Now that's very interesting because remember, off and on we have been hearing about the possibility of politicization of the Restless protests with the politicians trying to make inroads there, visiting the protest site at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi. And we have seen Rakesh Tikait, for example, getting active. In fact, there was a dharna also carried out by the BKU of Tikait faction outside Delhi, on the outskirts of Delhi. And now we are hearing the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha getting active. Okay, we have Harsha Chandwani live with us from Godda, in fact. Harsha, it seems that the politicization that at least some people within the protesting wrestlers were wanting to avoid has ended up happening. There is complete politicization now with many leaders from the left, for example, going there, Rakesh Tikait getting active, and now Sanyukt Kisan Morcha. You think these protests can still be salvaged from this politicization, or the politicization is complete? Harsha.
Clearly, now this entire Restless protest now is being politicized because in starting we saw Arvind Kejriwal, Priyanka Gandhi and every leaders from the opposition, left and Congress visiting the protest site at Jantar Mantar, and now the entire Khaaps Mahapanchayat and the farm leaders from Haryana, UP and Punjab have joined the protest, and therefore the Mahapanchayat was organized today in Muzaffarnagar, almost 70 kilometers away from Noida, from Delhi NCR. And now what we see is that now from boxer Vijender Singh, who is also the Congress leader, and from the Dipinder Hooda as well, all have been asking for the strict action against the policemen who inflicted brutality on the wrestlers. And Abhishek, one more thing, what the breaking news we have got is that Sanyukt Kisan Morcha, which is the joint body of all the farmers from UP, Haryana and Punjab, they have written to President Draupadi Murmu asking for the speedy action on the legal proceedings against Brij Bhushan, and also the arrest to happen of Brij Bhushan. And they're also demanding that now wrestlers should be allowed to protest in Jantar Mantar area, the very area where they were protesting earlier, but they were the brutality was inflicted on the wrestlers and they were dispersed off very badly from that very area on 28th of May. So now Sanyukt Kisan Morcha has written to President to take action against those policemen. So we have to wait and watch exactly what this wrestlers versus Brij Bhushan tussle takes up in the coming few days, because Abhishek, I have been following Brij Bhushan since yesterday. He has ducked all the questions of Republic TV, not answered single question on the allegation, and he clearly states that right now the investigation is going on. Till the time investigation is not complete, I will not respond to any of the questions. And also he says that if he will be proven guilty, he will hang himself. But till that time, he will not speak anything about the allegation. So these are the, from past few weeks, the certain new things have added to this new wrestler, to this wrestlers protest which is started from Jantar Mantar, Abhishek, and now is in Muzaffarnagar. Yes, Abhishek, back to you.
Harsha, stay back. I'll come back to you. But let's listen into what Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh said when you confronted him earlier in the day. Let's listen it.
सर एटलीस्ट खाप पंचायत पे बोल दीजिए, सब महापंचायतें हो रही हैं, उस पर तो रिस्पॉन्ड कर दीजिए।
नहीं मैडम, टाक यू नहीं।
सर हम लोग भी इतनी दूर से आए हैं सवाल करने के लिए, एटलीस्ट महापंचायत खाप जो हो रही है, सर जो खाप पे हो रही है आपके खिलाफ है, सो उस पर तो रिस्पॉन्ड कर सकते हैं।
नहीं मुझे नहीं बोलना है, बस समझा करिए। मेरी पार्टी से बार बार मुझको रोका जा रहा है कि भाई आप वो ना कर करिए, हम नहीं बोल सकते, हम नहीं बोलेंगे भाई। ढकेलो मत किसी को ढकेलो मत। नहीं बोल।
आपने मेडल को लेके सवाल जवाब उठा सकता था, तो आपने सुबह मेडल को लेके कहा था कि प्रवाह ना करें, ये देश के हैं, ये देश के लिए उन्होंने कमाए।
हो गया नहीं हो गया मैडम, मैं क्यों, हम नहीं बोलेंगे। मेरा किसी को धक्का मत दीजिए किसी को।
सर आप सवालों को डक अवे कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए सब लोग लगातार ये बात पूछ रहे हैं कि आखिरकार आप रिस्पॉन्ड क्यों नहीं कर रहे अल्टीमेटम को लेकर के, खापों को लेकर के, और उनके जो डिमांड है सर उसको लेकर के।
हम सुन नहीं पा रहे हैं। ठीक है।
ब्रिजभूषण सर, सवाल करना तो हमारा राइट है, एटलीस्ट हम जवाब तो आपसे सर
नहीं तो
उम्मीद कर ही सकते
मैं नहीं बोलना चाहता, बस खत्म बात। मैं नहीं
हैं। सर इतने सारे एलिगेशन है, एक का तो रिस्पॉन्ड कर दीजिए।
कोर्ट तय करेगी ना, कोर्ट तय करेगी ना।
लेकिन अभी तो तमाम बातें हो रही हैं। रेसलर्स जो हैं सर बैठे हैं, गंगा हरिद्वार गए थे, उन्होंने प्रवाह करने जा रहे थे, उस पर तो कुछ करने जवाब दे दीजिए।
मैं जवाब नहीं दे रहा हूँ।
हाथ मत लगाइए, हाथ मत लगाइए, अब गलत जवाब गलत हाथ मत लगाइए।
हराने दीजिए, हर
कम से कम हम लोग सवाल करें, वो तो हमारा राइट है एटलीस्ट, क्योंकि सर
करते रहिए, लेकिन मुझे बोलना नहीं है। नहीं क्यों बोले भाई, मेरा फायदा होने वाला क्या इससे? मेरा क्या मीडिया ट्रायल से मुझे फुर्सत मिल जाएगी?
मीडिया ट्रायल नहीं है सर, हम लोग
मीडिया
अपनी
ट्रायल है।
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ही कर रहे हैं सर। आप
मैडम, मैं मेरी मजबूरी समझिए, मैं नहीं बोलूँगा, मैं नहीं बोलूँगा।
Mr. Bhushan, there are not one but multiple allegations on you. Therefore, again and again, we are asking you the same question. There are multiple allegations on you.
क्रोध मत लगवाइए, इसको देखिए, इनको रोकिए, अब इनको कहिए कि ये जाए, इनको कहे जाए।
हाँ